Hello all, and welcome back to the training portal. Today we're going to show you how to set up and use the printer with your iSperm analyzer. So with that, remove the printer from its casing, and there will be a box in there with a toner drum as well as the photo sheets which you will print out on. So to set her up, first we'll insert the drum sideways into here until it clicks. Close that cover. Open up the front here and insert the paper glossy side up. So be sure to insert it that way. Notice that the HP logo on the back is going to be facing down. Then we can plug it into a power source. You should either be seeing a green or yellow light here. If you're not, just hit the button on the side to get it powered up. Next we'll go over to our iPad with the iSperm system installed for setup. So firstly we'll go into the HP Sprocket app. In the app you'll go to Add New Printer. You should see a list of available printers. Again, there should only be one in proximity. Click that. Click OK. Select the item, HP Sprocket Studio. Now it's listed as setup is complete. We'll have a green check logo next to the HP Sprocket Studio, and it gives it a location in our name there, 00AA. So next we have to go into the iSperm app. We're going to go to Data Center, Experiment History, and here you'll see where it says Synced. These items have been sent up to the AidMix iSperm cloud. However, we do need to export them to the photo gallery of the iPad in order to make them accessible for printing. So we'll select the ones we want to export. Click the check mark on the top right. You'll see some temperature tests we performed on sperm samples here. And then you also see success as the photos get exported over. Once it's done, it'll indicate on the bottom that 7 were successful, 0 were in error. So now that these are exported out of the iSperm app and into the iPad gallery, we'll go back to the HP Sprocket app. So here you will see the available measurements that were exported over in the gallery. Touch any one of them to continue. You may have to touch it and zoom in before we know which sample it is. In this case it's the 96-hour at 100 degrees Fahrenheit test. It's a still photo of the sperm. And what we do to print is hit the print icon on the bottom. And then give the printer about 10 seconds to start and probably 30 seconds to complete the first print. It'll be in color, and I'll take it in and out multiple times to apply all the colors on the sheet. See the blue light blinking when it is going and the status is printing. Again, this process may take up to a minute. Please allow it time, and when it first comes out, don't pull it out right away. Allow it to retract back into the printer and add the next layer of color. Once it's complete, it will lay loose on the tray here, and you will have your sample result to reference. Again, this result is stored in your AidMix cloud when set up, and also in the iPad history found through the iSperm app.